Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online classes. So, today we are going to learn something new. Okay, so till now we have studied about our body parts and the sense organs, isn't it? So, our body is made up of different parts, and each part has some work to do. On, on the whole, all the body parts work together for our body. And each body part is called as organs, and each organ has a special functions. Okay, so the body parts that helps us to feel our surroundings are called sense organs. We know outer world by them. Sense organs are very sensitive and important and we should take care of these organs or our body. We should take care of our body. We should clean the body parts always, and we should take healthy food, and so that our body remains healthy. Okay, so we have also studied that we have five sense organs. Those are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, isn't it? Eyes is to see, ears is to hear, nose is to smell, tongue is to taste, and skin is to feel. So with the help of these or sense organs, we know outer world by them. Okay, we feel everything. So today we are going to learn a new thing, that is external organs. That are external organs, isn't it? That are external organs. External organs. And what does that mean? External organs means some of our body parts which we can see from outside the body. Okay, we can see from the outside. मतलब कुछ बॉडी पार्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो हम शरीर के बाहर से देख सकते हैं, like our eyes, our nose, our ears, our mouth, our head, our neck, our hands, fingers, legs, toes, isn't it? These are the external organs we can see from the outside of the body. हम जो जो organs को, जो body parts को हम अपने शरीर के बाहर देख पाते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं external organs. Those organs which we can see from the outside of the body, those organs are called external organs. Okay, so the first external organ that look at this. The parts of our body that we can see are called external organs. जो बॉडी पार्ट, जो हमारे बॉडी में जो पार्ट्स हैं जो हम देख सकते हैं, आर कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स. हमारे शरीर के बाहर में जो जो हम देख सकते हैं, दोज आर एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स. ओके, द फर्स्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन is our mouth. So the some of the external organs are mouth. I have told you. So now we are going to see a few external organs of our body, and you just look at it and make a clear understanding. So the first organ, the first external organ that we will see now is our mouth. This is our mouth. Okay, this is our, what is this? What is this? This is our mouth. Okay, so our mouth has lips. This is lips. Let me show the lips. Okay, this is lips. These are called lips, isn't it? होंठ, lips को होंठ बोलते हैं. Then our mouth has also tongue. Tongue, this is tongue. Okay, this is tongue, T-O-N. This is our tongue. And teeth, this is teeth. Okay, this is teeth. So our mouth has three parts, three components, three things, that are our lips, our tongue, and teeth. Okay, so it helps us, our mouth helps us in speaking and eating. Our mouth helps us in, this is our mouth. So our mouth has lips, tongue and teeth. Okay, so it helps in speaking and eating. हम अपने माउथ से बोल सकते हैं और खा भी सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं कि नहीं? Okay, so our mouth helps us in speaking and eating. So we chew with the help of teeth. With the help of these teeth, we chew our food. Okay, हम अपने दांतों के मदद से हम अपने खाने को चबा सकते हैं. खा We should chew our food. Okay, हमें अपना खाना को चबा चबा के खाना चाहिए. ऐसा सिर्फ निगलना नहीं चाहिए. निगल लेंगे तो आपका बॉडी में, पेट में जाके वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा, हजम नहीं होगा और आपका तबीयत खराब हो जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू च्यू योर फूड. अच्छे से उसको चबा चबा के खाना है, isn't it? सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टीथ. और चबाने का काम कौन करता है? खाने को चबाने का काम हमारा दांत करता है. आप दांत से चबाते हो कि नहीं? रोटी जो खाते हो तो वो हमारे दांत से हम काटते हैं रोटी, फिर चबाते भी दांत से हैं, टुकड़ा टुकड़ा करते हैं. Yes, so with the help of teeth we chew our food. Okay, so they break food into small particles. Our teeth break food into small particles. हम दांतों से पूरा वो खाने को पूरा टुकड़ा टुकड़ा कर करके पूरा छोटा छोटा कर देते हैं, ताकि वो इजीली हमारे मुंह के अंदर से पेट तक जाए और वहाँ अच्छा से हमारा पेट उसे डाइजेस्ट करे, हजम करे, है ना? So with the help of teeth we chew our food, and also the teeth break food into small particles. Okay, and lips. Now coming to lips, our lips helps us to speak. हमारे lips जो होते हैं वो हमको बोलने में मदद करते हैं. Our lips helps us to speak. जब हम होंठ को ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं करते हैं तो हम बात कर पाते हैं. अगर होंठ को हम ऊपर नीचे पास में नहीं लाएंगे तो हम बात नहीं कर पाएंगे. आप चेक कर सकते हैं, यू कैन चेक. मीन्स you don't bring your lips close, so how can you speak? अगर लिप्स को बंद पास में नहीं लाओगे तो आप बात नहीं कर सकते हो. So our lips helps us to speak. Okay, and so our mouth, and tongue we have studied already. The tongue, about the tongue is a sense organ that senses the taste of the food, of any item. We can taste with our tongue, we can chew with our food with the help of teeth, and we can speak with the help of lips. So these are the organs which is inside the mouth, and mouth is a external organ. Mouth हम बाहर से भी देख सकते हैं. Okay, हम lips, these all are external organs. Then second external organ is our neck. The second external organ is our neck. Neck मतलब गर्दन. Yes, हमारा बॉडी, शोल्डर और हेड के बीच में जो रीजन है, the region in between our head and the shoulder is our neck. This position is our neck. Okay, this is our neck. This is our neck. neck को गर्दन बोलते हैं, है ना? This is our neck. So neck is also an external organ. हम उसे बाहर से भी देख सकते हैं. Okay, so our neck helps us to move our head. हमारा जो गर्दन है हम अपने सर को हिलाने में मदद करता है. It helps us to move our head. It also helps us in to move our head. Okay, so this is the second external organ that we can see. Okay, so the moving to next external organ. The next external organ is our hands. These our hands. Hands भी हमारा external organ है, हम उसे बाहर से देख सकते हैं. Okay, so we can hold things with our hands. हम अपने हाथों से कोई भी चीज़ को पकड़ सकते हैं. हम अपने किताब पकड़ सकते हैं, हम पेंसिल पकड़ सकते हैं, हम कोई सामान उठा सकते हैं. We can lift any object, we can draw, we can hold pencil, we can write with the pencil, we can draw, we can throw ball, and we can also clap, and we can also say namaskar, namaste with our hand. We can greet everyone. So with the help of hands we can hold things, and we can write, draw, throw, and clap with our hands. Okay, so these are this is an external organ. These are, so hands are our external organs. ये भी हम बाहर से देख सकते हैं. The next external organ is our legs. नेक्स्ट इज लेग्स, हमारे पाँव. ये भी हम हमारे शरीर के बाहर होते हैं और ये हम देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेग्स वी कैन वॉक एंड रन विथ आवर लेग्स. हम अपने पाँव की मदद से चल सकते हैं, दौड़ सकते हैं, है ना. वी कैन जंप एंड प्ले विथ आवर लेग्स. हम अपने पैरों से जंप कर सकते हैं, फुटबॉल खेल सकते हैं, रनिंग कर सकते हैं. सब अगर हमारे पाँव के हेल्प से ही हम कर सकते हैं. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर्स. This lady is walking with the help of legs. This man is running. The kids are jumping, and the girl is playing football with the help of legs. Okay, so these are the external organs we have studied. There are many more external organs, that is our eyes, nose, head, fingers, leg, toes, yes, shoulder, chest. So these all are our many of them are external organs. But we have to study these four things in external organ. There is a mouth, neck, hands, and legs. Okay, these are the external organs and their functions. Mouth is to what? Mouth is to speak and eat. It has many organs inside the mouth, that is lips, tongue, and teeth. Also, one more fact I want to share with you all, that children have 20 teeth. Okay, and while adults have 32 teeth. जब जो बच्चे होते हैं उनके उनके दांत उनके मुंह में 20 टीथ होते हैं, 20 दांत होते हैं. लेकिन जब एक बड़ा आदमी, उसके मुंह में 32 टीथ होते हैं. यू कैन चेक. आप सबको ही अपना दांत, कि आपके मुंह में कितने दांत है, आप काउंट करके मेरे को भेजिएगा. ओके, आई वांट टू सी that you have counted your teeth, and you have to count your teeth, and you have to count your mother's or father's teeth. Okay, आपको देखना है कि आपके मुंह में कितने दांत हैं और आपके मम्मी पापा के मुंह में कितने दांत हैं. आप काउंट करोगे. ओके, और आप मेरे को भेजना है ये वाला चीज. ये आपका वर्क है. ओके, सो these four things we have studied till now in external organs, and external organs are the parts of our body that we can see. Okay, हमारे वो बॉडी पार्ट्स जो हम देख सकते हैं, उसको हम एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. माउथ, नेक, हैंड्स, फिंगर्स एंड लेग्स. ओके, so this is all about the external organs. So I hope you find this video useful, and keep watching and keep learning. Thank you very much.